One market, many players, and no clear winner. The Homogenizer Market tells a story of broad competition and highly fragmented landscape. GE Group leads with 11% market share, followed by SPX Flow at 9%. Tetra Pak holds 6%, while Nesh has 5% and IKA-Werke 4%. But here's the real insight. These 5 players together account for more than 30% of market share. The remaining sits with other players, creating a wide and diverse competitive landscape. The message is clear. This fragmented market creates room to gain share, build differentiation, and drive growth. Markets move fast. Your decisions need to move faster. The 360iResearch platform brings analyst-authored research and AI-powered discovery together in one place. Ask the targeted market questions, track competitors, explore industry shifts, and uncover timely insights that help your team move from data to confident actions. Connect with 360iResearch and turn inspiring insights into dependable actions. Discover what the next market signal could mean for your business, your investment, and your growth strategy.